Hi, my name is Lokeshzdharan. I'm from class DDT 5C. Today I'm going to present about Visual Basic Programming. Uh, these are the few components from the toolbox in the Visual Studio. First is text box, and the function of the text box is holds text that the user can either enter or change. Label label is allows you to have text that you don't want the user to change, such as caption under a graphic. Comment button. Comment button is to create a button that the user can choose to carry out comments. And the fourth is button. This is used to generate a click event by providing a handler for the click event. Checkbox is to create a box that the user can easily choose to indicate if something is true or false, or to display multiple choices when the user can choose more than one. Checklist box is it is used to unselect all the selected items in the checklist box. Okay. Next is I'm going to present about the left task one. In this video, we're going to create a new project on about a registration form. First, you need to open your Visual Studio. Okay. And then, if you want to open your old projects, you just open a project or solution. If you want to create a new project, like I'm going to do now, click on the create new project, and then search for Windows Form applications, and make sure it is Visual Basic Coding. I mean language. And then click next. Then you need to rename your project name. I'm going to do project 1. And then this is where you're going to save your project. I'm going to save it under source, select folder, and then next. And then in this, we're going to use this project for a long term. So click on long term, then create. This will create a new project. Okay. Once it's loaded your new project, you can rename this form one to your desired in the appearance. Okay. In this you can change the form name. I'm going to put as registration. You can see the registration have been changed. Okay, once you change your form name to registration, you can go to toolbox to and drag the tools that you want to use. In this case, I'm going to use label first, drag it, is it? And then you want to change your label name to what you want to. put in your registration form, go to appearance, and then change it. In this case, I'm going to put as first name, and then go to design, and then just copy paste. Do the same thing again. Copy again. Once you read that, go to toolbox again, search for text box, and then drag it again. If you want the user to input their details and change the design name to txt first name, copy and paste again, do the same thing again, txt surname, paste again, one for contact number, contact again, for another one for email address, and then you can change the size as you want. I'm just going to make it long. Drag it. Then once you did that, you want to put some buttons so that the user can go to the register. Once registered, search for button, right, and then change and go to appearance. Change it to sunny, and then copy paste. Change this to you can also adjust this font size, and then once you did that, go to the second form, to add form, go to project, add form, Windows Forms, and then forms, Windows Form, click add, okay. And then this page is to let the user know that they have successfully logged in. So I'm going to put the text box to let them know. Create text box, label, sorry, label, label. Okay. And go to appearance, change it to registration successful. You can also change the font as you prefer. In the appearance, click on the font and then search for what font you want. In this case, I'm going to choose for Times New Roman, yeah, bold, and change the size. 18, 20. Okay. So you can also change the color in going for black axis. Okay, and then you want to make sure that this button works. So double click on the submit button and put it as form to show. Form dot show. Capital S and show. And go back to, and then in this page you want to hide the form 1 as you already registered. Click on the form 2 and then form 1 dot hide. Then once you did that, you want to execute your project. Click on then fill in your details. Click on submit. So you can see the form 1 is closed and form 2 is open, and you can see it registration is successful. And once you done that, you can stop your project. That's all from me. Thank you.